up, y'all? Welcome back to Occultism Unleashed, and we're going to talk about water, using water in everyday magic. I spoke to you guys before when I talked about the real reason for candles. I kind of went into the element of fire and things like that. Today, we're going to get into the element of water. Now, it's important that you understand, if you want to make changes to your physical self, the best element to work with is water, because you are about 80% water. When you think about water, the element of water is represented by the symbol of a upside down triangle. The upside down triangle alludes to spirit descending into matter. You know, when you look at the Bible and they say Jesus was in fasting for 40 days, or the Israelites were lost in the wilderness for 40 years. 40. You got to realize, Hebrew letters and numbers are the same. 40 is the word for the letter. 40 is the letter mem in Hebrew. When you spell mem out, it means water. Water symbolizes a place of birth, initiation. So when you talk about 40 years in the wilderness, 40-day fast, these were, alluding to periods of initiation. So when you're talking about the water element in everyday magic, you're talking about the ability to change the frequency of the water, the vibration of the water. And this is a scientific fact. The Japanese scientist, I can't recall his name off the top, but I'll put a link to the article in the description of this video. He conducted an experiment where he showed that he could play different music and write different things on jars of water and freeze them, and the molecular structure of the ice would be different. It's the same thing when doing spells with water. So if you want to use water in everyday magic, you first want to get a cup. You want a cup and you want to write a good message on this cup. Maybe put a piece of duct tape, white duct tape on the cup, and write a good affirmation on there. And every day, read that affirmation with that cup in your hand and charge that water with your intention. Again, I talk to you guys about intention every day almost. Moving with intention. If you're on the Instagram, I talk about intention. Charge your water with intent. Instead of taking colloidal silver, which will turn your fucking skin blue, you should just put silver in your water and charge it. That's alchemy. That's alchemy. When you use your intention to transmute the water and allow it to have, absorb the properties, the energetic properties of the silver. Because when you're talking about the spiritual, you're talking about energetic properties. So if you want to infuse gold, which is ruled by the sun, into your energy, make gold water. If you want silver water, use silver water. But if you're making gold water, you better use 24 karat gold. You're making silver water, use pure silver. Water is one of the best things to use for manifestation. When I get into these other elemental videos, I'll tie everything in and help you guys understand more. But from water, life comes. And that doesn't matter if it's the life of an idea or the life of a being. Water rules the emotions. So it's important that you put feeling into your manifestations. It's not money that you want. It is the feeling of abundance, the feeling of prosperity that brings that to you. So if you want to start working on your self-worth, you might want to start making some abundance water or sunshine water. Get your self-worth together, because that is what's going to help you manifest your prosperity. When you're talking about energy, it's not your network that makes your net worth. It's your self-worth. Because I know a lot of people that know a whole bunch of people that could be, should be, and would be plugging them in, but they don't feel that they deserve to go to the next level. So my assignment to y'all, and I hope you take it, create a special water and charge it with intention every day to work on your self-worth, your self-trust, and your belief in yourself. Then start working on the other shit, the abundance and the love, because if you don't value yourself, you ain't got shit coming. Because the energy you project is what the fuck you're gonna attract. So fix yourself first. I tell people all the time, if you can't create change within yourself, you'll never be able to manifest anything outside of yourself that's impactful, ever. Ever. So stay tuned for the rest of this Elemental Magic series. We're going to get y'all all the way popping and practice.